Hi MASH users, I'm Elizabeth Bain and I'm a graduate student from the Yinga Research Group. In this video, I will be showing you how to use targeted mode in the Workflow and Parameters panel. Contrary to discovery mode, targeted mode workflow is used for comprehensive protein characterization. This workflow includes import data, deconvolution, used for spectral deconvolution to identify fragment ions, database search based on identified ions, and finally protein characterization. This workflow aims to perform identification of fragmented ions that describe the protein sequence and identification and localization of post-translational modifications of a target protein sequence. To import data, click on the Import Data to add a dataset. Click on the option that represents the raw data file to be uploaded. The supported file formats will be listed as options. Select the MSMS data file to be analyzed. Spectral deconvolution is the process of identifying fragment ion peaks and calculating their charge states, monoisotopic mass, most abundant mass, intensities, and other parameters. Click on the Deconvolution tab and you can select various algorithms for spectral deconvolution within the process wizard. Start in the deconvolution processes will initiate the workflow manager. When the calculation is finished, the mass list from each algorithm will be automatically imported and displayed in the mass list panel. Users can click on each fragment ion entry for viewing and verification. The detailed functions of the mass list are described in Part 5 of the MASH tutorial videos. Database search algorithms use fragment ion, i.e. MS2, information for protein identification. When the fragment ion selection is completed, the fragment ions can be searched against the database for protein identification. Users can choose one of the supported database search algorithms and upload the target database. Click Start to begin the database search process. The workflow manager will be initiated to handle algorithm operation. For the targeted mode, it is recommended for users to provide as much information as possible, as extraction of information from MSMS files is harder compared to LC-MSMS data. In the advanced settings, users can input the charge state of the precursor and the fragmentation activation method. This information will help substantially in file parsing processes prior to the database search. The Characterization tab includes Import Mass List for importing deconvoluted fragment ion results, Import Database Search List that imports the sequence from the database search, and Paste Your Sequence, which can be manually copied to the sequence table. A detailed description of the sequence table panel is provided in Part 5 of the MASH tutorial video series. For manually pasting a protein sequence, click on Paste Your Sequence and the Paste Sequence Information window will be opened. Paste the sequence and click OK, and the pasted sequence will be displayed on the sequence table.